Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. And guys, 2 point is discussed here. This is a previous lecture is also discussed here, and some important point is remaining. And this second lecture is very important because advanced point is some learn here. Okay, the first this flange and hem previous lecture and this lecture is both lecture is very important and complete learn here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, and draw any plain sketch drawing a okay, this is a okay, mention any dimension is a okay, this is a 140 and this is a 100. Okay, length is 140 and height is 100. Okay, exit and generate a sheet metal parameter. The default value is setting here. Okay, and create a wall and okay, this is a perfect. And select a this flange. Okay, and this is a correct. Okay, direction is reverse and height is increase and decrease, height is increase. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some important point is discussed here. Basic point previous lecture is discussed here, and this lecture is a relimited. Okay, this is a very important. And this first limit and second limit 1 and limit 2 is discussed here. This is a select and right click and create a point. Okay, at first create a point is a at select this as and this is a this point is a select and okay, one point is create here. Okay, again same, right click, create a point is this edge is select here and point is this point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a body is correct. Now this is a perfect. Okay, and again hem point is a discuss here. This is a edge is select here and this is a basic and direction is reverse, but okay, this is a radius is increase and okay, this is a relimited. Okay, and first is a click here point. Okay, this is a this edge is select here and this is a point, first point is click here and okay, and again second right click and point is this edge is select here and point is select here this point. Okay, this is a perfect, body is correct. Okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, and material is okay, metal and steel. Okay, this is okay, and this body double click here and this body is okay and select here this body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, apply this. Okay, this is a perfect, isometric view is correct. Okay, and okay, zoom out. Okay, zoom out. Okay, Okay, and plane is hide. Also body is looking so nice. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.